Pepe nosedives 15% in 7 days, but is a huge move incoming? Pepe coin price analysis. Pepe volatility exploded in the past few days, with the price moving by over 30% in a day. Key support levels, 0.13 key resistance levels, 0.10 after a long period of low volatility. Pepe price action changed on Monday when the SEC sued Binance. My name is Quechual and I help teach people about money, personal finance, and investing. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. The price quickly moved up and down by over 30% and, in the process, made a new low. This has created a large descending triangle which could be interpreted as bearish. The current support is at 0.10, and the resistance is at 0.13. With the price quickly approaching the apex of this formation, Pepe could make a major move in the next few days. Trading volume. The volume picked up on Monday, with bears dominating the chart. RSI. The daily RSI is under 50 points and continues to give a bearish bias due to it making lower highs. MACD. The daily MACD is negative. However, the histogram is making higher lows which could signal that this downtrend may find a bottom in the near future. Short-term prediction for Pepe price. It's likely that the volatility to be high in the next few days, with a breakout from this triangle appearing imminent. Buyers have to do all they can to defend the key support at 0.10. Any failure there would open the way for Pepe to fall much lower, and towards 0.05. Over 524,000 people follow Wall Street Meme's Instagram page, while its Twitter page boasts an audience of 226,000. Degans. The AI Doge project is developing a unique social platform that leverages AI technology to generate memes, and users can earn cryptocurrency rewards if their memes gain popularity. The project's pre-sale is structured in stages, with the price of the $AI token gradually increasing, introducing a unique concept in the crypto market known as meme to earn. As the hype around AI Doge continues to grow, investors are moving quickly to secure their $AI tokens. On the other hand, pepecoin has been undergoing a correction phase. Pepe has not yet pumped to what it is capable of yet. Coinbase faces boycott backlash after calling pepecoin a hate symbol. Coinbase is facing withering backlash and a boycott from some members of the crypto community who are turned off by the exchange's Pepe-hating rhetoric. In an email newsletter sent to Coinbase users on Wednesday, the crypto exchange called Pepe a hate symbol, while highlighting an association of the Pepe the Frog meme to political groups. The token is based on the Pepe the Frog meme, which first surfaced on the internet nearly 20 years ago as a comic strip character. The email read. Over time it has been co-opted as a hate symbol by alt-right groups, according to the Anti-Defamation League. Pepe community sees with anger while the email has a disclaimer that dissociates the writer and does not necessarily reflect the views of Coinbase or its employees. A legion of fans and investors of the frog-themed meme coin were outraged at Coinbase's portrayal of their beloved token. Solidity developer and Pepe supporter Kenobi, for instance, astutely stated that the token is not a symbol of hate, and that he would be transferring his crypto funds to Gemini Digital Asset Exchange. It truly was amazing, and now everyone else is looking to try and get involved. Pepe coin has even entered the top 10 most traded coins worldwide. We can't help but feel like this will turn into a case of being left with the check when everyone else has already left for those that are only getting involved with Pepe now. All over the crypto sites at the moment you can see articles saying Pepe will take over from SHIB. Pepe will break $1. Realistically, this is not the side any investor worth 2 cents should be on, and here's why. It's time to look for a new meme coin. The 7-day price chart for Pepe coin would indicate that it has just experienced a market correction. Many are expecting it to take off again, and some of the underlying trading numbers might indicate they are right. Its short-term trading average has now fallen below its long-term, so in general this would indicate that it is possible a pump could happen. From the chart, it's visible that the active addresses indicator has come down in value for Pepe in the last few days, which means that the market activity has calmed down. An interesting trend is also visible in the data for the supply of the largest Pepe coin holders, as the below graph displays. An interesting trend is also visible in the data for the supply of the largest Pepe coin holders, as the below graph displays. These humongous holders had been accumulating while the rally had been going on, but right as the top took form, they started shedding coins from their wallets. This cohort has continued to sell since then as Pepe value has gone downhill. If you start seeing these lines moving up again, there is a much larger probability of Pepe going for its second round of pumping, though probably a more minor one, explains Sentiment. One positive sign for the asset, however, may be that the trading volume has rebounded recently after having declined since the top, just like the other metrics. All in all, meme coins have to be taken for what they are. They're controlled by speculation and crowd expectations, says the analytics firm. In these fresh, new assets that fit this description, you'll likely want to watch when the crowd gets too emphatic that one price direction is going to happen. The active addresses metric, which measures the total number of unique addresses taking part in some transaction activity on the blockchain, also saw a spike just before the top. When this indicator has a high value, it means a large number of investors are making trades right now. The price generally becomes more likely to get volatile when the metric shows such a trend. From the chart, it's visible that the active addresses indicator has come down in value for Pepe in the last few days, which means that the market activity has calmed down. Sentiment notes that the indicator still has a value of about 5%, meaning that 5% of all discussions related to the top 100 assets involve the meme coin currently. Seeing it get down to the 1 to 2% range would be a good sign that traders are beginning to stray away and look for pumps from other altcoins. The firm explains. SpongeBob token all the qualities in place to replicate Pepe's success. Pepe's success seemed to be quite random. One investor bought trillions worth of tokens in exchange for some ETH, and voila, suddenly you have investors everywhere piling on just for fear that they might be missing out on something. Just like that, a hit coin is made. However, there is more to it than that. The very genesis of every successful meme coin is of course the meme. Pepe is one of the oldest internet memes, and it is likely the regulatory body has leveled an accusation against Ripple, proclaiming the firm's XRP sale as an unregistered securities transaction. Whenever social dominance hits high levels, it's a sign of euphoria among investors, which is something that has historically led to top formations for cryptocurrencies. Sentiment notes that the indicator still has a value of about 5%, meaning that 5% of all discussions related to the top 100 assets involve the meme coin currently. Seeing it get down to the 1 to 2% range would be a good sign that traders are beginning to stray away and look for pumps from other altcoins. The firm explains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video.